welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're making strawberry-filled fondue. The ingredients that we're using are chocolate chips, oat milk, maple sugar, marshmallows, strawberries. And that's all for ingredients today. The items that we're using are a syringe, a plastic straw, a fondue pot, watch out, it's hot, a knife, a cutting board. Guys, the first step is moving over to the fondue and putting it on warm chocolate setting. Guys, now we want to grab our marshmallows, put them in. Grab some milk, shake it up, put it in. It'll start to smoke. Now, grab our chocolate chips, cut open the back, and pour them in. Wow! Bye-bye flying! Now, I didn't mention this, but we need a spoon. Now, start to mix. It starts to melt instantly. Guys, now, put down your spoon. Add the milk. Clean up on aisle 5 the mix spilled. Open it up. Grab your spoon again. Start mixing. Guys, you want a thick consistency for this. Not too thick, but now you want to grab our maple sugar. Put it all over. And that's enough. Just eyeball it. It looks cool on camera, guys, if you pour high. Grab your spoon. Start mixing. That's the consistency you want. Now, guys, we're gonna go to our strawberries. Grab as many as you think you'll need. Put them in the bowl that we use for our marshmallows. Uh-oh. Now we want to go over to wash. Guys, look, this is a tip. If you want it to be faster, just go like this. Don't throw away the tips unless you're done. You hear that satisfying sizzle of the fondue? Now, guys, pick up all your strawberries, throw them away. This is the cool part. Grab this straw and poke through a hole. Or push them through. Go. It's not working, guys. We might need to just do it all our strawberries and push it down. That's our goal. It's blood. No, it's just strawberry juice. Now check on the fondue. Now grab one of your strawberries in your syringe and syringe up some chocolate. And put it inside. Squeeze in it up. Squeeze up the strawberry, shall we? Guys, tell me what I should make next. To tell me what to make next, email me at aidanawesome.com. Some more strawberry and chocolate. About to be done. Guys, for the final reveal, grab some more chocolate, squeeze it on top of everyone. Guys, I can't believe we made chocolate strawberry. It's time to try. Welcome. So good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And one thing, I want to give a shout out to my friends, Aya, Noya, Ori, and Nadav. See you guys at class on Monday. Bye.